How to delete or deactivate Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the See More in Account Center option. Tap on that and then tap on the Account Center option. Now, under the Account Settings tab, you will see the Personal Details option. Tap on that and further tap on the Account Ownership and Control option. Now, tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option. You will then see the Deactivate Account radio button along with the Delete Account radio button. Tap on your preferred option and once done, tap on the Continue button. With this interface, you can either delete your account or deactivate your account. You will then be required to enter your account's password. So go ahead and enter your account's password and tap on the Continue button, and with this your account will be deactivated. So this is how you can deactivate or delete Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.